nè ná, no ná, and nake. Okay, so all of these are the word of who or whom in English language. Hi, my name is Dara. I'm a Khmer tutor from the Khmer Lesson. And the Khmer Lesson is a place that you can learn Cambodian with native speaker from everywhere around the world. You just go to visit our website www.khmerlessons.com and then you can choose the tutor you would like to learn with. Okay, so today in this lesson I will teach you how to use who in Cambodian language. Okay, so as you know already, when you make a sentence with who or when you make a question with who, okay, you have to think about its role. Okay, so I can say you have to know it is subject or object. Okay, so when it used as a subject, okay, you have to use it before the sentence, and when you use it as an object, you have to use it behind the sentence. Okay, so if you would like to know about this lesson can help you. Okay, so right now if you are ready, let's get started with me together. Okay, so now we start together, okay, with the word who. Yes. Okay, so who in Cambodian language, you have three meanings to say. Okay, so for the first one, you say nè ná, okay, and the second one, you say no ná. Okay, so I would like to tell you a bit with this. Actually, for nè ná and no ná, we don't really use often for casual speaking. Okay, so for two of these we always use like in the official case, like in the news or in the movie. Okay, and the word that we always use all the time for casual speaking, okay, we use this one, nake. Okay, so for casual speaking, Cambodian people use this often. Okay, so now I read all of these words for you again. Okay, so the first one is nè ná, okay, and the second one no ná, okay, and the last one is nake. Okay, bye. Okay, so as you know already, when you make a question with who, okay, the same in English. When you make a question with who, so who can be subject and can be object. Can be subject, can be object. That in English you have one more word that you use whom, right? W-H-O-M. But right now you don't really use, right? You don't really use, so you always use who all the time, even though it is subject or object. Yeah. Okay, so the same as English language as well. For the word who, when you use as subject, okay, you have to use it before the sentence because it takes a role as a subject. Yeah, okay, and if you use who as an object, okay, it's the same as other question word as well, that we always use it at the end of the sentence or behind the sentence. Okay, so again, when you use who as a subject, you have to use it before the sentence. It takes a role as a subject. And another one, if you use it as an object, you have to use it behind the sentence, as like other question word as well. Okay, so now we will start with using who as a subject first. Okay, we will start subject first with who. Okay, so here is subject. Okay, so before we learn the sentence, okay, we will learn some vocabulary first. Okay, here is the word food. But food, you know already that you can say two way. Okay, so first you can say mahop, but a little common. Yeah, and another one you say aha. Okay, I mean like a little official. Okay, a little official. So okay, for the word food you can say mahop or aha. Mahop or aha. Okay, yeah. Okay, so for this word I have a space for you so that you can read it easily, but with the pink color, okay, I write it as usual. Okay, I don't have space for you like for the word aha, you see. Okay, so you can read over here now. Okay, bye. Okay, so go to next word. To make. To make. In Khmer you say twơ. Twơ. Okay, the same as to do. Twơ. Okay, so now go to see example. Okay, so you see the sentence is who made this food? Okay, who made this food? Okay, so you see who, it takes a role as a subject, and then after subject you use the verb make. Made. Okay, so this sentence I use past tense. Okay, because this food already made. Okay, so in Khmer we don't care. Okay, even though you use a verb in the present, verb in the past. Okay, we don't care, so we just translate as usual. Okay, so this sentence we say na ke thwơ mahop ni. Na ke thwơ mahop ni. Okay, so mahop ni it means this food, this food, and thwơ it means to make. Okay, okay, so again, na ke thwơ mahop ni. Okay, okay, go to next one. Okay, the word to speak. Okay, the word to speak, to talk, or to say. In Khmer you use the same word. Okay, that we say ni yay. Ni yay. Okay, actually for writing, okay, if you know how to read Khmer, okay, we say yay, ni yay. But for speaking we always change a bit, so we say ni yay. Ni yay. Okay, okay, so now here is the example with this word. Okay, who is speaking? Who is speaking? Okay, so when you call someone and you don't know who they are, or say who is speaking with me, something like that. Okay, so you can use this sentence to ask them. Okay, so we say na ke. Okay, na ke kampung ni yay. Na ke kampung ni yay. Okay, so in this sentence I use kampung because kampung, as you know already, it is verb ing, or I can say present progressive. Okay, so in Khmer when you use present progressive like ing, okay, you have to use kampung, kampung, and then before verb. Okay, kampung ni yay. It means kampung speak, kampung speak. Okay, okay, so again, na ke kampung ni yay. Okay, okay, next word is the word to steal. To steal in Khmer we say luch. Luch. Okay, but we don't have like this, okay, we don't have. So when you read this word, okay, you have to say luch. You see, silent. Luch. Okay, this is the word to steal. Okay, money. Loi. Loi. Okay, then you always say cut loi. It means bill please. Okay, cut loi. Okay, here is the sentence. Who stole my money? I mean who steal my money, but I use past tense, so change to stole. Okay. Okay, so the same as previous sentence as well. So you say na ke loi. Loi.របស់ខ្ញុំ ណាគេលួចលុយរបស់ខ្ញុំ Okay, so របស់ខ្ញុំ it mean my, my, and then you see I place it in the bracket, so it mean this one is optional. So for speaking, okay, no need to say របស់ so you just say ខ្ញុំ okay, ខ្ញុំ so finally I can say I, me, my. We use the same word but just different place, just different place. So you see in English you use my before money, my before money, but in Khmer you have to say money and then my. Don't forget, this is I can say this is possessive adjective, and in Khmer adjective never stand before noun, always stand after noun all the time. Okay, you have to remember with this point. Okay, okay, so again, ណាគេលួចលុយរបស់ខ្ញុំ or without saying របស់ I can say ណាគេលួចលុយខ្ញុំ Okay, Okay, next one is the word angry. Ba, angry. So angry in Khmer we say khang. Khang. Okay, khang. Okay, so the sentence with this word is who made you angry? Who made you angry? Okay, ba. So in Khmer we say na ke thưa ai nẹt khắng na ke thưa ai nẹt khắng. Okay, ba. Okay, so I will tell you a little bit with this word. Okay, so maybe you are wondering what is the word thưa ai? Yeah, thưa ai. Actually, before I told you like thưa it means to make or to do, but to make. Okay, so we say thưa. But why in this sentence you say thưa ai? Okay, we say thưa ai. Actually, depend on structure. Depend on the structure of to make someone, and then plus adjective. Like make someone angry, okay, make someone happy. Okay, so in this structure, I can say in this structure, make someone and then plus adjective. Okay, so in this case, the word to make, you cannot say only thưa nah. You have to say thưa ai together. Thưa ai. But so depend on that structure, you have to say like this nah. Okay, so don't be wondering. Okay, but okay, so again, na ke thưa ai nẹt khắng. Na ke thưa ai nẹt khắng. Okay, who made you angry? Okay, bye. Okay, so that's all for using who as a subject. Okay, so I hope you understand clearly. Nah? Okay, it's not difficult. It's the same as a simple sentence that you make who as a subject only. Okay, bye. Okay, so second point we will learn how to use who as an object. Okay, as an object. Okay, so when you use who as an object, okay, you have to use it behind the sentence as other question word as well. But okay, so now we go to see the vocabulary first. Okay, okay, here is the word to live. To live. But so to live we say rốt nợ. Okay, rốt nợ. So this word you know several times already. Okay, so we say rốt nợ. Okay. Okay, now this is the sentence with this word. Okay, so who do you live with? Who do you live with? Okay, so you see, if you see English sentence, it's the same. It's the same as you use it as subject, because you use in English you use who at the beginning of the sentence as well. But here not the same, nah? But you see, like after who you use like auxiliary verb do, does. Okay, do, does. So who here is not a subject. Who here is an object. Even though you use it at the beginning of the sentence, but in Khmer you have to use it behind the sentence. Nah? Okay. So the meaning is like who do you live with, or I can say you live with who, or you live with whom. Yeah. But right now you don't really whom often, or you don't really whom anymore. So you always use who. Right? Okay. So in Khmer you say nè. You see, I start with you. Nah? Nè is you. Rốt nợ. Rốt nợ, it means to live. Chia môi. Okay, chia môi, it means with. Nah? Chia môi, with. Na ke is the word who. You see? Okay, I use it behind the sentence. So you live with who? You live with who? Bah. Okay, so I read the sentence for you again. I say,អ្នករស់នៅជាមួយណាគេអ្នករស់នៅជាមួយណាគេ Okay, bye. Okay, go to next one. Okay, the word to stay. Okay, you already know the word to stay. Okay, in Khmer we say snack no. Snack no. Okay, but snack no. Okay, and here is the example. Okay, who did you stay with? Okay, the same as you ask someone who do you live with, who did you live with. Okay, the same. So in Khmer you just say you stay with who, you stay with whom. Okay, nah. Okay, okay, so I read for you in Khmer. We sayអ្នកស្នាក់នៅជាមួយណាគេអ្នកស្នាក់ នៅជាមួយណាគេ Okay, who do you live? Who do you stay with? Okay, ba. Okay. Go to next one. To talk. Okay, so to talk are the same as to speak or to say. Okay, then in Khmer we say ni yai, nah, ni yai. Ba. Okay, let's see example. Who are you talking to? Okay, who are you talking to? Ba. So I mean you are talking to whom? Ba. You are talking to whom? Ba. Okay, so in Khmer we say nèកំពុងនិយាយជាមួយណាគេអ្នកកំពុងនិយាយជាមួយណាគេ Okay បាទ so កំពុង is ing ណា because you use talking បាទនិយាយ is to talk បាទនិយាយ is to talk Okay ជាមួយ Okay ជាមួយ again it mean with ណា Okay although in English sentence you don't use with but in here in Khmer you have to use na because like talk to someone is the same as speak with someone nah? Talk to someone and speak with someone okay you use the same nah? Okay so we say ជាមួយ okay so in this case you need to use ជាមួយ nah? Okay and ណាគេ is who បាទ so again អ្នកកំពុងនិយាយជាមួយណាគេអ្នកកំពុងនិយាយជាមួយណាគេ Okay បាទ Okay next one to buy Okay this word in Khmer we say ទិញ Okay ទិញ Okay let's see example Who did you buy this one for Who did you buy this one for Okay so if we use in Khmer we say you bought okay you bought it mean like you use past because I use did but so you will say you bought this one for whom right you bought this one for whom okay and then when you make a question okay you use who before the sentence who did you buy this one for right okay okay so in Khmer we will say like this អ្នកទិញមួយនេះសម្រាប់ណាគេអ្នកទិញមួយនេះសម្រាប់ណាគេ Okay បាទ Okay so អ្នក is you ណាអ្នក is you ទិញ is buy មួយនេះ is this one that in Khmer we say one this សម្រាប់ is for សម្រាប់ is for ណា Okay សម្រាប់ Okay and ណាគេ is a question word who right Okay Okay so again អ្នកទិញមួយនេះសម្រាប់ណាគេអ្នកទិញមួយនេះសម្រាប់ណាគេ Okay Okay that's all for this lesson and thanks for watching I hope everyone enjoyed this lesson and if someone still not understand or still not clear with some point or if you have any idea would like to ask okay just leaving your comment below and I will come to you in the next lesson